Hey, what's up, guys? Skyrlink here. Welcome back to another episode of Icarus Uprising. Last time, we went up a mountain to stop the fiery phoenix and learned that the wish seed was fake and that we can sense a war brewing up. Anyway, in this episode, we're going to be doing chapter 11. But first, we're gonna be using the final weapon type today. The ball cannon or a cannon. Yeah, I couldn't pick a better time to do this. Probably the weapon type that I never use personally, because then after this, I'll just be using whatever the weapon I feel like using. It won't be different every time, but maybe I'll change it up a bit every once in a while. But anyway, let's get started with chapter 11, Viridi, Goddess of Nature. I usually do these types of intensities on 5.0, so you know what? I'm just going to do this right this, since there is no intensity gate. Let's move out.
Officer Pitt, reporting for duty.
The humans have fallen for Hades' hoax. They're killing themselves over that fantasy.
It looks like entire nations are fighting each other.
The Underworld Army is here to gather souls. Clearly they expect many casualties. We can't stop a war this big right now. Focus on the Underworld Army.
Roger.
Yes, so all we have to do is really just shoot these guys. Now normally you think like, oh, wow, there's just a war, that's pretty cool. I guess we might as well just start killing people, killing the underworld troops and stuff, just to stop them from taking souls.
If only we'd had a chance to tell them the wish seed was fake. Now look at them. It's like they've lost their humanity and all they have left is brutality. What's wrong?
I have to pull you back, now!
Huh? Whoa! What was that?
I shot it, but I do say so myself. Good riddance, human scum! The world's better off without you!
That was the goddess of nature, Viridi.
It's all coming full circle now.
I'm on it.
So you're the famous Palatine. I heard you did this.
And you're Viridi, ruler of the earth and all living things.
I didn't know I had a fan club.
Why have you done this?
Humans are driven by selfishness. They think only of themselves. They were killing each other for what? A wish? A fake wish? They've strayed too far from their intended path. That's where my reset comes in. To help return Earth to its natural state.
But are humans living beings too? Yet you think nothing of exterminating them.
That's rich coming from you. You don't seem to have much of a problem slaughtering underworld forces.
But that's totally different.
We are defending the earth and heavens from those who seek their destruction.
So yeah, that's Viridi, Goddess of Nature. We're gonna have to go inside this weird looking forest area.
Version of nature.
Humans massacre Earth's creatures, decimate the trees, and exploit the land. They're the twisted ones. They're enemies of life itself. Tell me, Palatina, why do they deserve special treatment?
Because of all creatures, humans are closest to the gods. Gods cannot intervene in mankind's affairs as you have. You have no right.
Right! Humans are trampling over the rights of every other living thing. Should I just sit back and watch as they continue to destroy the Earth? I must exterminate them all before it's too late.
There's just no reasoning with her.
I have to admit she has a valid point. Wiping out humanity is not the answer.
I agree completely. You've given us no choice but to oppose you, Viridi.
Oh, that's brave of me. But the forces of nature? We're not.
Yeah, new troop type forces in nature, which is what the green ones are. We saw a couple of underworld troops still fighting the forces of nature, so honestly, we'll go into this more detailed soon, but actually, if you find two different types of enemies, they will actually attack each other and not really focus on you. You could sometimes walk into that. So yeah, I actually seem to be doing pretty good myself. I'm doing really good, honestly. Maybe I should use cannons more often. I really hate them, actually. I despise them.
I'm surprised you've survived this long, Kit.
I'll take that as a compliment.
I think it's time to meet one of my finest warriors. Come on out, Craggaledge. Kit!
I wonder what that beast was. And maybe that's a hint to what we will be fighting.
Are you okay, Pit? Now, Kit, you are the captain of Palutina's guard, yes? I look forward to seeing how you fare against Craggaledge.
You should be more worried about how he fares against me.
Careful, Pit. I need you in good shape. Besides you, all I've got are the Centurions. You know, maybe I should open a boot camp to toughen them up.
Still wouldn't give them muscles like these.
Yeah, so there are humans.
There are survivors.
They're a stubborn bunch hanging on like that. Set as many free as you can.
Stubborn?
Oh, I didn't mean like that.
Maybe what you meant to say was insignificant.
Ahio, yes, there are survivors here. And you can... What the... Oh, hello, you walnut creature. Dutski. What's up, buddy? And honestly, if I had to choose one of my least favorite parts of the game, this actually is my second least favorite part of the game. The forces of nature part of this. Chapter 10 was just kind of a random chapter that honestly, its only importance was to set things up for here, which I totally get that. So, I'm not saying it's a useless chapter, but it's like, its only purpose is to set up for this one. And then, chapters 1 through 9, that's the Medusa part of this, and then there are other parts of the story too, but we'll get into that later. We can't go back, obviously. Honestly, I don't think they needed to put that one in there.
There must have been a town here.
Reset bombs won't harm wildlife or natural.
We can break that.
Their only purpose is the obliteration of humankind.
Oh, is that all?
I suppose that accounts for all the life in
Hey,
here.
what's this?
In a
What's
few
over here?
years, this place will be completely covered in green. Flowers will bloom, trees will grow, and the natural food chain will take over. It will be mankind's winter and the beginning of my spring.
Alright. We got a smart bomb. That thing is pretty freaking annoying. It's like gonna grab you and like fling you around. I'm gonna break that. Now this thing has decent melee damage. Oh jeez. Kinda like that. Jeez. God, I hadn't... Alright. That's... I'm gonna take care of things. We are supposed to... Let's see, we're supposed to go that way, but I believe... Yeah, over here.
It looks like there used to be a hot spring here.
Wait, there's a little water left.
What's with you and hot springs?
What's with you and not minding your own business?
Viridi, you naughty person. Oh, jeez. Hello, buddy. And what do I... Nothing? Just a bunch of random enemies? Okay. Alright, so that hot spring did not heal us too well, but there's a melon. I think it is. I think that's a melon. Oh, it is a melon. Alright. So we go over here. We get Bob Pad Overtard. Oh! Oh, treasure fish, rare treasure fish. Okay. Give me the goods. Oh, jeez. Okay, that's cool. I got 2 weapons. Forgot what was the second one.
Where am I?
Huh, he's like, yeah, where am I? Like, so excited and stuff. It's like, yeah, where am I? I like that. Oh, geez. Oh, jeez. The evil monster. Oh, it's a freedman. He dropped chocolate. Diabetes. Not sure why he would have chocolate in a war, but then again, pretty much anything could give you health. So if he was low on health, he could have just ate that chocolate bar, but he's like, nope, I was trapped, but you know what, I was freed. Having my pretty much only health recovery, pretty much. Good sir. Alright, I seem to be doing pretty fine, actually.
Can't go any farther, so I set up a grind ring.
You kindly?
It's tangled in there, so I had to wind it around the trees.
Calling you a snake would be an insult to snakes. But you're fast to do that.
Calling you a snake would insult snakes. Yeah. Palutena, you monster. There is nothing. Okay, so we're gonna go up here. Oh no! Wait, go back! No! I gotta be like Darth Vader. No! From episode 3, Revenge of the Sith. No! I think I missed out. Okay, no way.
You're a lucky angel, Pit.
Believe me, I know. These things drive smooth.
Plus, they provide protection and firepower. Is that good design or what?
It is the best. It's best design. Alright, you actually want to carry this one all the way down. You want to make sure you keep it alive. This is actually a very... There's an achievement for... We'll get into this, but... So, we're gonna have another extra feature to talk about for the day. Yay, it's returning in some form. Don't worry, it'll return
This place is big.
later on.
Another entrance in the middle of that giant tree.
Why there?
That's Viridi.
I installed it for my army boots, but no one else has ever said.
I'm not surprised.
I can't believe you didn't think of that before.
You're attacking! I was busy!
God dang it, looks like I failed the achievement. The achievement is that you have to get that, like, that ether ring, and you have to destroy another ether ring, and you were I believe you were meant to do it in this chapter. I think. I could be definitely wrong, there could be another opportunity, but it looks like I might have to play this chapter again, but I like this down here.
What is this? Hot spring. A huge hot spring.
Nature's bathtub.
Hey, stop it, I'm trying to enjoy my bath. And there's even a chest down here. With a grenade. Okay. That's gonna do it for this episode of Icarus Uprising. So next time on Icarus Uprising, as I just said, geez, it's kind of a mouthful. We're going to hopefully finish up chapter 11. See you guys then.